Hello, ma'am. Which editorial should I check out today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today. So come, let's have a look.
So the editorial is India loses 0.4% of its GDP every year to natural disasters. As the scale of economic loss escalates, disaster risk finance has moved to the forefront of policy. Emerging Asian economies that comprise India, China, and the Asian 11 face an escalating threat from natural disasters that are growing in both frequency and intensity. So think of India as an economy like a big piggy bank. Okay, every year natural disasters, floods, cyclones, droughts, earthquake, heat waves break that piggy bank a little. Look at this picture. You can see what happens with that natural disasters. India loses about 0.4% of its GDP every year because of these disasters. That means a lot of money that could have been used for schools, hospitals, roads, and jobs is instead spent on repairing the damage that happens in natural disasters. Across Asia, disasters are happening more often and are becoming more dangerous. Floods and storms are most common. Climate change is making them stronger. Millions of people are affected every year. And some countries like India and the Philippines face very high risk because they have large populations. Many people live near rivers, coast, or unsafe areas where the events like cyclones and floods hit frequently. That's why governments are now focused not just on helping after disasters but on planning and preparing before the disasters actually happen, which should have been the case since the very beginning. Now let us talk about over the past decade, the region has had an average of 100 disasters annually, impacting approximately 80 million people. Okay. The nature of these threats varies from by geography. While floods and storms are like the primary drivers of the risk in India, tropical cyclones frequently batter the Philippines and Vietnam. Okay, meanwhile, China and Indonesia contend with significantly higher seismic risk. Chart 2. Let's look at the chart 2. Chart shows that a total occurrence of disasters in emerging Asia by country and type. Since 2000 to 2024, look at this. In Cambodia, these many disasters. India, disasters. Look at the level of disasters. Okay, now from 1990 to 2024, India sustained average annual disaster related loss equivalent to 0.4% of GDP. Now let us look at the chart 4. Average annual loss due to disasters. The data are depicted as a percentage of a country's GDP. So this is the data. Look at the GDP of India. See this. Alright, now let us talk about why this is highly relevant for UPSC examination. So this topic becomes highly relevant in UPSC examination for GS paper 1, which is geography, for GS paper 3, disaster management and economy, and lastly it is very important for the mains answer value addition as well.
If you want a deeper analysis of the editorial, please go watch our DNA video, and that is it for today. Thank you for watching.